northern Accomack County in southeastern Virginia until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Saturday, 8:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Emergency management officials continue to report flooding along the Pocomoke River, Nassawango Creek, and their tributaries. Both of the streams at Willards on the Pocomoke River and at the gauge near Millville on Nassawango Creek have crested. The Pocomoke River at Snow Hill has not yet crested. Major flooding is occurring at Snow Hill. As these crests move downstream, additional flooding is likely, especially in Snow Hill as the level there continues on a slow rise. Motorists are advised to avoid using Highway 12 between Snow Hill and Salisbury as the high water has forced portions of the road to be closed. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pocomoke City, Snow Hill, Newark, West Pocomoke, Pittsville, Willards, Shelltown, Beaver Dam, Mount Wesley, Rehoboth, Whitesburg, Whaleyville, Cocosberry, Whitten, Howellville, Longridge, Goodwill, and Eden. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Accomack, Virginia,